Attention to all content creators like me. There is now an artificial intelligence tool that makes reels in 5 seconds. It is called makereels.ai, and it can turn text, blog links, and news into reels. I'll show you how to use it. You'll thank me later. It is super simple. You just have to go to makereels.ai, enter the topic you want. For example, coffees in Mexico City, and generate a reel. It gives you the video ready and you can edit it. You can change videos, photos, text. What shocked me is the quality and quantity of videos and images you can use. There's everything you can think of. You can add voice and choose the tone you like the most. And even clone your own voice. It is magic, literally. You can choose the autopilot function to create and publish reels automatically on TikTok, Shorts, Instagram, and Facebook. You schedule them and done. This wonderful site does all the work for you.